Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. UPSC Civil Service Exam is one of the world's toughest exam to crack. It requires immense hard work, but hard work alone will not be sufficient to crack this exam. Along with hard work, a strong willpower is also a must. Let me explain you this by an example. Let's say you get up in the morning with the aim to finish 2 topics of polity by night. You start with complete focus, but sometime later you start losing focus. You then pick up your phone to check your WhatsApp and eventually you end up spending hours on your smartphone. By the time you realize your mistake, it's already too late. You are hence unable to accomplish your goal for the day. It is at this point where the role of willpower comes into play. If you had developed willpower, you would have never wasted hours on your phone. Now, you might ask how to develop willpower to accomplish our goals. Follow these simple steps to develop strong willpower. Number 1, practice meditation. Meditation helps us focus. It has been practiced by great philosophers and spiritual gurus to attain enlightenment. The right way to practice meditation is by starting with finding a quiet place for yourself. You should then sit with your legs folded and begin chanting Om. You can practice meditation without chanting too. Try to focus on your inner voice. Doing this daily will help you improve your focus while studying. Number 2, exercise daily. Along with mental health, an aspirant should take care of his or her physical health too. Exercising daily improves blood flow in the whole body. This rejuvenates all the muscles and tissues. This will help you sit long hours without losing attention. Number 3, set daily goals. Setting daily goal helps recall our aim. It is important to fix small and achievable goals and work towards achieving them. This ensures that you keep moving towards your larger goal in life one step at a time. Number 4, set accountability. We often need help of others to keep us affixed to our goals. For this, we can ask our friends and family to help us keep ourselves accountable. They can do this by asking us about our daily progress. Number 5, remove distraction. Last but not the least, remove all kinds of distractions such as smartphones while studying. They often lessen our attention span and cause us to lose our focus in life. Getting rid of them is most important step in establishing strong willpower. So friend, this will be it from our side. If you have any more suggestions about establishing strong willpower, do let us know about this in our comments. And also please don't forget to follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you.